Assalamu Walaikum.
Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my
Another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert Affinity Publisher to Google Slides. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to convert the Publisher document to a Google Slides. Firstly, go to the File menu. Then click the Export option and choose the file type is PDF. Then click Export and wait some moment to loading the file. Then choose your file location and write your file name. Then click Save. Then wait some moment to exporting the item. Then go to the file location and select the file. Then click right button on our mouse and open the file with Adobe Acrobat. Now we can see here the PDF file. Now we want to convert this file to a Google Slide. Go to the file menu, click Export to option and choose the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. And choose again your file location and write your file name. Then click Save. Then wait some moment to exporting the file. Then go to our Google and click the three dot option and open the Google Slides. Then click the three dot option and go to Google Drive. Then upload the PowerPoint file. Click the new option and select file upload. Then choose the PowerPoint file on our file option. Then click open. Then we can see here the PowerPoint file is uploaded. Then click the file and we can see here automatically convert this file to a Google Slides presentation. Now we can see here the all slides and all text and shapes. Now we can see we convert Affinity Publisher to Google Slides very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.